Behind me is a Tesla Model X Plaid, and I think this is Tesla's coolest car. Aside from the fact that this is the most powerful SUV you can buy in America, making 1,020 horsepower, who doesn't love doors that can do this? It's not practical, but it is really cool. In the back I have heated seats, a screen where I can watch YouTube, Netflix, Hulu, Twitch, and play video games. I have cup holders right down there, and I even have plenty of room for a car seat. And this can fit 6 people while doing 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds. It's also practical. I get space here, more space underneath, and because there's no engine, more space in the front. Inside, I get heated and ventilated seats, the biggest windshield I've ever seen, the biggest speaker I've ever seen, a driver display, a heated steering wheel with touch controls. I get my gear selector located right here. My second gear selector is there. 2 wireless charging pads, tons of carbon fiber, storage there, and more storage in there. You're not ready for this. Open my booty. Elon, why? This can do 326 miles on a charge, but while you're charging, I can watch YouTube, Hulu, Netflix, Twitch, scroll TikTok, play tons of video games, and even make a beat.